Thank you, ma'am.
200 iron Gabi in lane 5.
This is event number 4, girls 11 to 12, 200 meter individual medley, heat 4. Swimming in lane 1, we have Peridion Nina Angelique from the Polo swimming team. Lane 2, Kimbo Alana Dominic from our Monk Fisher swimming team. Lane 3, Narazabal Alexa from our Monk Fisher swimming team. Lane 4, Nakikit Maria Deshara from the Polo swimming team. Lane 5, Kyongo Casey Gabriel from Silliman University Rex Stallions. Lane 6, Alvarico Pauline from Negros Oriental Blue Dolphins. Lane 7, Etong Ian Chesky Penin from the Polo swimming team. And Lane 8, Girote Chimpane Angelique from the Polo swimming team.
Go, Gab!
We would like to announce that there has been a disqualification for event 2